The result of today's physical efficiency test, date 9 February 2022. The physical efficiency test for the post of Meghalaya Police Service under Home Police Department, which is being conducted by MPSC. This one is in 2nd MLP Battalion, Goeragre, Tura. The result of today is of female candidate. The female candidate have to run 15 rounds under 35 minutes, 5 kilometers. And today's the total candidate who appear are 233 candidates, and out of 233, 91 candidates are pass candidate and 142 candidates are fail candidate. And that's all for the physical efficiency test. All are finished. Now we have to wait for the exam, those who have passed. That's it. Thank you.